friends, welcome to today's class. Today we are moving to the part of politics, chapter 8, a shirt in the market. In the last chapter we have seen that about the different types of market that is around us. Here we are looking a example of shirt. How can a shirt make that? Means it is from the product of cotton. It is a agricultural thing, and from cotton they are making threads, and from these threads they are making the clothes, and from the clothes they are making the shirt. Like that, a way of making is there in behind of a shirt. So we are looking in this chapter about the production of cotton and finally how it will become a shirt from the weavers. They are doing the work and later it will become a shirt. So here is a conversation about the farmer, Swapna, and a trader, because in only one season they are getting they are earning money by selling their product as a cotton, and other time they are not getting any money, so they are taking a loan from the trader as a seeds and fertilizers, and by the time of harvesting they want to return those things. So that conversation also we are seeing in our textbook.
A shirt in the market. Hello students, now here we will start a new topic, a shirt in the market. In this chapter, we will learn about the cotton, its productivity, and the product, and how the cotton changes into shirt or clothes. A cotton farmer in Kurnool. In Kurnool, this is the place where the farmer grows cotton on a small piece of land. The farmer sells it to the buyers. Cultivation of cotton requires high levels of inputs such as fertilizers and pesticides, and the farmers have to incur heavy expenses on account of these. The cloth market of Erode. Erode's bi-weekly cloth market in Tamil Nadu is one of the largest cloth markets in the world. A large variety of cloth is sold in this market. Weavers bring cloth that has been made on order from the merchant. These merchants supply cloth on order to garment manufacturers and exporters around the country. They purchase the yarn and give instructions to the weavers about the kind of cloth that is to be made. Putting out system. Weavers producing cloth at home. The merchant distributes work among the weavers based on the orders he has received for cloth. The weavers get the yarn from the merchant and supply him the cloth. These people work daily, 12 hours, and after 1 month or after complete work, they get only 35 rupees. The arrangement between the merchant and the weavers is an example of putting out system. The garment exporting factory near Delhi. The Erode merchant supplies the cotton cloth produced by the weavers to a garment exporting factory near Delhi. In this factory, men and women both work. Women are employed as helpers for thread cutting, buttoning, ironing, and packaging. These jobs have the lowest wages. Who are the gainers in the market? A chain of markets links the producer of cotton to the buyer at the supermarket. Buying and selling takes place at every step in the chain. Market and equality. The market offers people opportunities for work and to be able to sell things that they grow or produce. The people who have money and own the factories, the large shops, large land holdings, etc. The poor have to depend on the rich and the powerful for various things.
Weavers Cooperative. We have seen that the weavers are paid very little by the merchant under the putting out system. Weavers cooperatives are one way to reduce the dependence on the merchant and to earn a higher income for the weavers. In a cooperative, people with common interest come together and work for their mutual benefit. In a weavers cooperative, the weavers form a group and take up certain activities collectively. They procure yarn from the yarn dealer and distribute it among the weavers. The cooperative also does the marketing. So, the role of the merchant is reduced and weavers get a fair price on the cloth. At times, the government helps the cooperatives by buying cloth from them at a reasonable price. For instance, the Tamil Nadu government runs a free school uniform program in the state. The government procures the clothes from the program from the powerloom weavers cooperatives. Similarly, the government buys clothes from the handloom weavers cooperatives and sells it through stores known as co-optics. You might have come across one of these stores in your town. We know that cooperative societies are there in our towns, cooperative banks, and handlooms also in our city. We have seen a cotton farmer at Karnool. They are producing the cotton and they sell it into the market. And the cloth market at Erode, there is different types of clothes are available in the market. And weavers producing, they are through their yarn, they are producing the clothes and selling to the buyers. And a garment factory that is situated in Delhi, they are exporting their product to the different nations. And gainers, actually who is the gainer in the market? And market and equality, what are the different products available in the market, and equality and profit is going to whom, that things. And a shirt in the USA, there is a homework for you, do it yourself in the textbook and read the textbook carefully, note down the question answers in your notebook.